Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Honda Pilot EXL. This one's red. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 280 horsepower. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. 18-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A beige leather interior. Sunroof. Rear seat entertainment. Rear climate controls. Headphones for the rear seat entertainments. Third row seating. Coming around back, we've got our Honda Pilot all-wheel drive badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season and regular floor mats. They fold down third row seats. Come inside. We've got a keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Popping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. A push start ignition. Garage door openers. Navigation. A rear view backup camera. Touchscreen media display. Dual climate controls. Heated seats. USB ports. Automatic transmission. This Honda Pilot has 22,783 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda, check out feldmanimports.com.